my name is Michelle and today I'm going to be showing you guys a unique and tasty option for a baby teether using Itzy Ritzy's silicone teethers. We're going to coat them in a DIY banana puree, which I will show you guys how to make, and with that being said, let's get into it. So we're going to be using a banana puree recipe from Momtastic Wholesome Baby Food. So what you will need are an Itzy Ritzy silicone teether, one whole banana, a blender, and for the liquids I will be using water, but you can use water, baby formula, or breast milk to get your desired consistency. Also, a quick disclaimer, before you get your baby started on solids, be sure to check with your pediatrician. So we're going to start off with clean hands and peel the banana, divide it into 2 or 3 chunks, and put it into our blender. Then we're going to pour an 1/8 cup of water into the blender, and those are the only 2 ingredients you need for this recipe. Go ahead and blend everything together for about 5 seconds or longer, depending on your desired consistency. And finally, we're going to pour the puree onto our teether and pop it in the freezer for about 3 hours, and that's it. And with that, we have our finished tasty little teether. These teethers are so amazing for your baby because the coldness will help relieve some of the discomfort that they're feeling while they're teething, and the puree will give them a nice sweet snack to munch on. Finally, these Itzy Ritzy teethers are super easy to clean. All you have to do is pop them on the top shelf of your dishwasher, or you can hand wash them. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you tried this DIY, be sure to post a picture to all your social medias and to tag Itzy Ritzy. Thanks for watching. Bye!